See, I got a girl. Let me smooth it out real fast on this one, man. Yo, more, turn me up on the headphone a little bit. Yeah, that's good right there. Check.
Let me tell you about my baby girl, why she really means so much to me. She's so special and she's so unique. Sounds like music whenever she speaks. It's so clear to see that I'm in love. It's so plain to see we're meant to be. She came to me from heaven above. I will never leave her, that's a guarantee.
Yeah, she is beautiful, she is more than fine. She's a superstar, but she does more than shine. Peace loving, she is more than kind. So I lift up my hands, thank the Lord she's mine. She called me when I was a straight up sinner, but now I chase her and I'm a straight up winner. Yes, I'm a man, but I feel safe with her. It'll be the end of me before I break up with her. Now
I'll await her, I'll await her, I'll never leave her. She is mine. I'll await her, I'll await her, I'll never leave her. She is mine. She is faithful and she's so true. She's considerate and oh so pure. Every day she teaches me something new. My shorty got style and she's so mature. Mama baby's got me crazy. Mama lady's hot, she blazing. Mama baby's so amazing. And mama lady's got me behaving.
for my foolishness, she's the medicine, it's affirmative. Her and I are permanent. She makes me feel secure, she makes me feel intelligent. All the money in the world, without her it's all irrelevant. She's the one I turn to before I make decisions. Like honey to my taste, to my soul, she's delicious. She's a friend that sticks closer than a sister. And hey, by the way, my baby's name is Wisdom.
I'll await her, I'll await her, I'll never leave her. She is mine. I'll await her, I'll await her, I'll never leave her. She is mine.
Do not forsake her, and she will protect you. Love her, and she will watch over you. She is supreme, therefore get her. Though it costs all you have, find her. Esteem her, and she will exalt you. Embrace her, and she will honor you. She will place on your head an ornament of grace and present you with a crown of splendor.